They like, Kato, why you do that?
I fuck up that second and go get it back. Some shit I was taught as a young.
For real.
My little bitch a brat, I told her relax. I'm too busy chasing his money. My niggas some apes, they strung with them drakes. Just know we grew up in the dungeon. My nigga ain't Houdini, they callin' it magic. The way I turn nothing to something.
Yo, it's your boy, the Big Rambo, the OG Rambo. And today, we got some trade breakdowns. The world is going crazy. We about to start World War 3. I ain't fighting for nobody. But let's get to it, man. So, I don't know why I've been having the urge to trade at Asian London crossover and place a trade and go to sleep. But it's not working out in my favor, so not doing that anymore. But so I took this GU trade last night. It was a loss. I woke up around I think 3 to check on the trade and I was stopped out. So I seen this level of support on the 4 hour. So we're at a 4 hour support. You respect the high time frame. So I respect the high time frame. So I took a buy, and it was just an impulse buy. I didn't wait for any confluences or anything. Took an impulse buy literally right here when they started going back up. So stops was 660, somewhere around here. I took the buy. I think I was in. Yeah, it was like a 25 pip stop loss, and I was targeting the next high. This high for the swing. Had my alert right here when it came into this resistance. I can delete that now because the trade is over. And then I had the alert for when TP was hit for 145 pips. So I immediately went into profit. I didn't experience any drawdown when I entered the trade. I went like maybe 20 pips in profit, I want to say. Yeah, around 20 pips in profit. And then, excuse me, I let the trade run. I closed my phone and went to sleep. I was up since 4:30 yesterday, so I was very tired. I placed this trade and I was up to like maybe 12, maybe 1, and I finally fell asleep. So I let it run. I woke up around 3 something to drink some water, and I was stopped out. So that was that trade. And GU has just been tanking. This is like 200 pips from right here. So I'm telling you, last night when I read the articles this morning, Moscow is talking about their banning trade right now. Russia and Ukraine about to start a war. U.S. is somewhere in the middle of it. China's on the verge of it. So it's crazy. So let's go to New York today. New York session today. I knew we were bearish, and I'm gonna show y'all what I saw because I did some risky shit. I know my mentor Doyle took this risky trade too. So I think about right here. What we seeing? Let me take this off too. So this is the 15 minute. So we see some support being on the 15 minute. We see some support being created. Once we got this, that it rejected this right here, it took out liquidity. We said, okay, at the break of this candle, at the break of that candle, we're good to enter, right? So, boom. You got your candle. And you got your stops to right here. We were in the trade, stopped out the trade. This was a 15 minutes, so this was about 15, 16 pips. So I took the loss on that one, went to profit very briefly. And it was risky. Yeah, it was very risky seeing that. So then I dropped down to the 5 minute to see what I saw. I'm like, okay. So, yeah, okay. So it's just bearish. It was just bearish. So then I let the trade just sit there and play out right here. Once I got the break right here on this candle, it broke that candle. So I was looking for the sell because I was looking for a retest. We got a break. Now what we wait on? A retest to come back. I was waiting on the retest right here. So I got the break right here and it broke and it immediately shot back up. And I'm like, okay, what's going on? What did I see here? You see a supply. So I'm in this right here. Already in I'm in deep drawdown, like yeah, I'm like 10 pips in drawdown. So I'm like, fuck. But when I see this, it clicked. This was a beautiful high probability setup. And I knew it was bearish. I immediately took the impulse right here. I got in for the other sell. I had this being targeted to the 1-to-1 at first, which was right here. So my 1-to-1 was somewhere right there. But then I moved my stops with this. And we were targeting the 1-to-1 from right there. And then I was targeting this. So trade ended up going immediately into profit from the 2 positions I entered here. Now we're playing at my entries right here. This trade took forever. It just kept playing. It just kept respecting this level until we finally got the break right there. I took profit at this candle. Once we broke, I took profit. I took about $100 off. I closed out all the positions. I closed for like $100. This is my live account I'm trading. And yeah, I left money on the table because this went tanking. But yeah, so the market's just been crazy, and it's just like you don't know who to trust and what setup to trust at this point. You're gonna be prone to a lot of fake outs. Everything is bearish right now. Everything is bearish. When I say everything, I mean everything except Nas and gold. Well, gold started falling. Gold got up to 1973, almost 75. Yeah, so that's how my trade breakdown went. So I took 2 L's and 1 dub, and my dub did I think I'm a little under break even for the day, which I'm okay with. I could just come back tomorrow and refocus. GU, I'm definitely not GU, but I'm definitely not trading Asian London anymore. Well, Asian, placing the trade and trying to hold it. I'm just gonna focus up New York, and then if I am up during London session, I'll definitely look at the markets. But I think I'm gonna be mostly back on my scalper style of trading with the supply and demand. But yeah, that's all I got on this. So like, comment, and subscribe. Comment if you caught any good trades today, and comment what you guys think about this war. Like, I really want to know what you guys think, because this is crazy. Like, this is really happening. Like, we're really about to witness World War III, and this is crazy. So yeah, that's all I got. Peace, guys.